Let's study properties of triangles. First one, median of a triangle. There is a triangle ABC. Here is a triangle ABC. And let D be the midpoint of BC. Let D be the midpoint of BC. And the line which connects the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side is called the median of the triangle. So a median connects the vertex, a vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. A median connects a vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. So here AD is the median. So there will be 3 medians for a triangle. There will be 3 medians for a triangle. Next one, altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular distance from the vertex to the opposite side. Let ABC be a triangle. Here AD is a perpendicular distance from the vertex to the opposite baseline. Therefore, AD is the altitude of the triangle. AD is the altitude of the triangle. Now we are going to study some properties. First one, exterior angle property. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. Let ABC is a triangle and there is an extended portion. Now ACD is the exterior angle. Angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles. And we know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of its opposite interior angles. Let this be angle 1 and this be angle 2. Now, we are going to draw a parallel line of AB here. And we got 2 angles here, X and Y. We know angle 1 is equal to angle X because these 2 angles are alternate interior angles. Also, angle 2 is equal to angle Y because these 2 angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will be equal. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Then we are going to add these 2 equations. When you add these 2, we will get angle 1 plus angle 2. This is LHS part and RHS also will be equal to angle X plus angle Y. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle X plus angle Y. Now, we know that angle X plus angle Y is angle ACD. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle ACD. Therefore, we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to measure of angle ACD. This says that the exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle, ACD is exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the measures of its opposite interior angles. So, the property is exterior angle property. That is, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the measures of its opposite interior angles. Now we can do one problem. If angle A is equal to 30 degree, if angle B is equal to 40 degree, what will be angle ACD? We studied that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of two opposite interior angles. So ACD is equal to angle ACD is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. That's equal to 70 degree. One more question. If angle B is equal to 70 degree and angle ACD, measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degree, what will be the measure of angle A? We know that angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD by exterior angle property. Therefore, angle A plus 70 degree, we can substitute the value for angle B. Is equal to measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 110 minus 70. That's equal to 40 degree. Angle A is equal to 40 degree. Next property is angle sum property. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let ABC is a triangle. Now C is extended to D and there is an exterior angle ACD. Let this be angle 1, this be angle 2, this be angle 3 and this be angle 4. And we know that the exterior angle property. So according to exterior angle property, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. Now we are going to add angle 3 on both sides. Angle 4 plus angle 3. And from the figure it is very clear that angle 3 and angle 4 are linear pair angles. Since they are having a common vertex, they are having a common arm and two non-common arms lie opposite to each other. That is angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Therefore, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angles of this given triangle. So, we can say that the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we can do some problems. degree, 80 degree. So what will be here? We know that 60 plus 80 plus the unknown, we are giving the value of their x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 140 plus x equal to 180 degree. That is x equal to 180 minus 140. That's equal to 40 degree. Here it will be 40 degree. And next question. here it is 2x, here it is 60. What is the value of x? We know that the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That we are going to write x plus 2x plus 60 is equal to 180. And x plus 2x is equal to 3x. 3x plus 60 is equal to 180. Therefore, 3x equal to 180 minus 60. That is 3x equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. Therefore, x equal to 120 divided by 3. That's equal to 40 degree. X equal to 40 degree. So, this angle will be 40. This angle will be 2 into 40, 80. And this angle already given 60 degree.